wearing is black, grey and touch of maroon. I will mix the black and Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession and black eyeshadow, probably something maroon. That's in MAC one that I just showed. So let's see what I can do. I'm thinking of doing a reverse eyeliner. Let's do it. I'm going to use my favorite Benefit brow pencil, NYX eye pencil, and I have this Daniel Sandler's. I really don't remember where I got it from, maybe from America. Purple Velvet it says. I'm going to use that, and so let's see. And again my card, which is always very helpful. Just building it up. You can use tape, you can use card, whatever suits you. And then if there is any excess, you can always clean with the Q-tip. I want to take it a little higher. By the way, I'm also going to use this Sephora eyeshadow kit. It's a beautiful eyeshadow kit and it's a very old one. And it was just lying in my drawers. You know, when you have teenagers, they don't forget anything. We do. So my daughter, she found it. And I realized, oh my God, I didn't use it for so long. This silver and this gray, I'm just trying to see what I can do. Because the silver is too light, so I'm just mixing it with the darker gray. Okay, so now I have also mixed this one, just a touch of this, because to make the silver more prominent, just in the center part of the lid to just highlight it more. In the inner corner. I have applied concealer, but I will again clean and apply more if needed, and I think it will be needed. Going back with the maroon. And to highlight it, I'm going to use a bit of black, like I always do, but I think what I'll do is I'll make the reverse eyeliner first and then I'll do it. So NYX is here, applied inside. Okay. Just underline your eye, and then just take it with your eyeshadow. Just take it there. Don't be afraid, because in case you mess up, we can always clean. And I'm going to take it inside as well. More on the inside. You can see already the difference. It has made the eye more longer, and I used to do it when I was in college. I didn't know it would come back in fashion and will be called reverse eyeliner. My nails to basically take the point out. See, nails have many. Okay, so if you feel this is going too much like this, I don't mind, because I don't want it to go down. As far as it's going up, it's fine. If you want, not like this, maybe you want to make it like this, you can do that as well. Once you've done this, take black eyeshadow. When you teenagers take your makeup, it is all broken. That's the news. My fingers are all black. I guess I'll have to use this one in Sephora. Take a thin tip. I'm using the black, the dark one. Just apply under this. That will actually help it smooth, will help it not spread as well. I'm going to use this. This is from Kiko, and I'm just going to just on top of this merge it. I feel if you mix the black and the rust or maroon, it always gives a, because the red, maroon, rust, they blend with our complexions, so you know, it gives a softer finish. Since I have maroon in my clothes, so I don't mind that. This is done. This is from the Sephora kit. I am just trying to make this one more prominent, just this part. I'm not going under the eyebrow or at the end. It's okay. Let it be. My eyebrow pencil.